Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machine available in UAE. Not only successful in the domestic market, but the Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machine has also been exported and is in use in Dubai, UAE, one of the most quality-conscious markets. This is clear evidence of the product's reputation and effectiveness. The fact that a device manufactured in Vietnam can conquer the international market is a point of pride for both the Go&Go brand and Vietnamese enterprises. For domestic customers, using Go&Go washing machines is also a way to affirm international quality service right here in Vietnam. If you're interested in our automatic motorbike washing machine and need further consultation, please leave a comment below the video or contact Go&Go for support. Goodbye, and see you in our next videos.